Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common dock maintenance for the Roborock Qrevo Edge. If you're interested in the Edge or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, let's start with the top of our station right here. We have our clean and dirty water tank. Both of those are removable. We have a little icon here showing you which one's which. This is the clean water tank. This is our dirty water tank. With the tanks removed, you'll notice we have drain plugs, 2 holes on both sides. Make sure those are free from obstructions. If you ever have any drips, that they can drain out properly. And you can always wipe down in here as needed. And then make sure these 3 holes right here are also free from any clogs or obstructions. Moving on to the clean water tank, we can open this up. You can rinse it out every once in a while. And we have the silver ion module right here. So these little filter beads, whatever you want to call them, they recommend 6 to 12 months before you would replace that. But there's really not much to it. And this just pops right out. We were able just to pull it straight out of the unit. So grabbing it from the sides and then pulling out. Just spend a minute if you want to remove that to replace. But that's what you got right there for the clean water tank. Dirty water tank, after every use, you definitely want to rinse this out, making sure it's nice and clean, and hopefully keeping any odors at bay for the dirty water tank. Further down the station, we have our removable cover with Roborock's branding on it. It's that gray cover. Just pull it out and away from the station. That reveals our vacuum bag right here. So we can take our vacuum bag out and easily replace. Inside, not much to do here. You can grab a can of compressed air and clean it out and visually inspect that there's no debris or anything in the self-empty chute right there with that little spring-loaded door. So wipe down, spray down as needed, and just swap out vacuum bags as it gets full. And then that cover goes right back on. And then further down on the unit, we have our charging contacts, a sensor right here. This is where it's self-empty, so you can visually inspect or remove any clogs right there from that channel. And this plate at the bottom is removable for easy cleaning. It actually separates into 2 pieces. So you can wash and rinse these out. If you have any clogs or any errors, make sure that this is clean. This actually pops out too. So give everything a nice, deep, and thorough clean here on the station. And make sure it's free from any obstructions in here as well. But if you're ever having any drainage issues or things like that, make sure that you're checking this filter, this tray. Give everything a nice, deep clean there. And then lastly, if your ramp's dirty, this just pops right off. So you can rinse this out as well. Overall, the station really takes care of itself. Just you want to make sure that you stay up to date on keeping the clean water tank full, the dirty water tank empty and clean, this tray clean, and then emptying the vacuum bag when it's full.